2017 Toyota Tundra 5.7 liter V8 I4s. Really nice truck. I don't know about that push cart, but everybody's different. What we got done on it for you guys, got factory converters there, and there it comes with a total of 4, if you guys didn't know. Then we replaced all the piping. It was all rusted out, so we went true dual all the way back 2 1/4 into FLOWMASTER Super 10, dual in, dual out, part number 8425. I can't read your writing, buddy. Okay, 8425154, dual in, dual out right there, as you guys can see. There it is. Then 2 tailpipes out the back, on each side, there and there, into 4-inch rolled tips, there and there. Right there, on this beautiful Toyota Tundra. There's the muffler we cut off. You see how it's all rusted out? It's from Virginia. So he's like, take it all off, put me new. I said, okay. This is after. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And there'll be a link in the description for the tips and the muffler. Much better. That sounds phenomenal. I like it. Here's sound decibels. 111. Go ahead and back it out. That sounds really nice. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Hope you guys like it.